Hi friends, today we are making an easy Vietnamese coconut banana bread bake, inspired by Bon Shui Nuong. It is oven-baked, deeply banana-scented, creamy with coconut milk, and simple enough for a weeknight treat. This recipe makes 8 servings and takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes from start to finish. For our ingredient walkthrough, for very ripe bananas, give this bake its Vietnamese-style sweetness and perfume. Choose bananas with lots of brown spots, because they mash easily and caramelize beautifully on top. For slices of soft white sandwich bread, create the tender, almost custardy crumb. This is the easy shortcut that makes the texture taste close to Vietnamese baked banana cake without complicated batter. 1 cup full-fat coconut milk brings the creamy coconut flavor that makes this feel unmistakably Vietnamese. Shake the can well before measuring so the rich cream and liquid are blended. 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk sweetens the bread and gives the crumb a gentle milky richness. It also helps the top brown into a caramel-like finish. 2 large eggs set the coconut custard as the loaf bakes. They help the banana bread slice neatly while keeping it soft and moist. 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, divided, add richness and help the loaf release from the pan. We will use 1 tablespoon softened for the pan and 3 tablespoons melted in the custard. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract rounds out the banana and coconut flavors. A little vanilla makes the aroma warmer without taking over. 1/4 teaspoon fine salt balances the sweetness. This small amount makes the banana and coconut taste brighter. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar make the top lightly crisp and caramelized. Sprinkle it over the banana strips right before baking for the prettiest finish. We begin the preparation by heating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it heats, rub 1 tablespoon of the softened unsalted butter all over the inside of a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan so the banana bread releases cleanly later. Now that the pan is ready, peel 1 ripe banana and slice it lengthwise into thin strips. Keep these strips separate, because they will become the glossy caramelized top. Next, peel the remaining 3 bananas and mash them in a clear glass bowl. Leave the mash a little chunky so the finished bread has soft pockets of banana in every slice. With the bananas prepared, tear 4 slices of soft white sandwich bread into small pieces and place them in a large mixing bowl. Small pieces soak up the coconut custard quickly and bake into a tender crumb. Now make the custard base by whisking 1 cup full-fat coconut milk, 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk, and 2 large eggs in a bowl until smooth. This mixture is what turns simple bread and bananas into a rich Vietnamese-style bake. To finish the custard, whisk in 3 tablespoons melted unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon fine salt. The butter adds body, the vanilla adds warmth, and the salt keeps the sweetness balanced. Now pour the coconut custard over the torn bread pieces. Fold gently with a wooden spatula, then let the bread soak for 5 minutes so every piece becomes soft and saturated. Once the bread has softened, fold in the mashed 3 bananas. Mix just until the banana is evenly spread through the soaked bread, keeping the texture thick and spoonable. Spoon the banana bread mixture into the buttered loaf pan. Smooth the top, then gently tap the pan on the counter 2 or 3 times to settle the mixture into the corners. Now arrange the reserved banana strips across the top of the batter. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons granulated sugar evenly over the banana strips so the surface bakes up glossy, brown, and lightly crisp. Bake the loaf at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 to 65 minutes. It is ready when the top is deep golden brown, the center looks set, and a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. After baking, let the loaf cool in the pan for 15 minutes, then loosen the edges and let it cool for 30 more minutes before slicing. That final rest sets the custard, so the banana bread cuts into thick, tender slices and the cooking is complete. Here it is, our easy Vietnamese coconut banana bread bake, sweet, fragrant, and custardy in the center with that caramelized banana top we promised. Serve it slightly warm with coffee or tea, or let it cool for cleaner slices. If you enjoyed this cozy oven-baked recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple home cooking.